going to make two parallel lines, horizontal. We are going to make our first shape of the moon. And the second one, so instead of making a straight line right there, you can make it slightly curved like that. And similarly on the opposite side, we are going to make a kind of a D, and again, instead of going straight, we're just going to make it slightly curved like that. Our fourth shape and our fifth shape. Now to this, first of all, let me tell you a little, give me a brief on my art supplies. This is a 100% cotton paper, and that's a mop brush by Meeden, and I also have a ceramic palette. To start with, I'm going to use a clear water first and simply lay it around any three colors that I like. Let's say, for example, blue, purple and red. So I'm going to stick to those three colors, and I will start taking some blue and simply place it in the moon wherever I feel I want to put it. And when you do this, try to enjoy the process and not worry about the results. And I'll simply wash it off. Go ahead with my red and place it next to blue. And remember one thing, when you're doing this, make sure you're not disturbing any of the colors. You're simply adding your colors to the paper, if that makes sense, and you're not going to smudge or move any of the colors. Similarly, I'll wash off my brush and take some purple and color the remaining part, and I will leave some blank spaces if I want to. You can leave some blank space if you want to, and that's how we complete the first one. You will get something unique in the end, so trust the process and stay with me. I am going ahead and painting the next shape. We are going to repeat this process for all the 5 shapes here. have it. You have 5 different shapes of the moon.